Hi, I'm Paul with Jeep Cables. We're here at the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion. We're here selling our cable sets that we've brought along. We've got cable sets here that are custom wrapped. These are wrapped in a black with red tracer. Our kits, the Big 7, is crimped using special equipment. The wire is all automotive rated, mechanical connections, the high quality wire, high quality cabling, abrasion resistant. So what we've done is we've combined it into an all-in-one package, no trip to the hardware store. Everything comes with it, and all custom lengths, everything's measured and ready to go. We carry them for Fords, Jeeps, Toyotas, Power Strokes, Cummins, and then we've partnered with JS Alternators to sell their powder-coated alternators. This one matches with that one, so since a lot of Jeep owners are starting to do not just modifying the vehicle itself, but doing appearance customizations or alternators for more power. We've combined all that into easy packages like this that make for a great appearance change under the hood. You can find us at jeepcables.com, and in the case of the JS Alternators, jsalternators.com.